standing here beside you now, the gate between us creaking, summer grass beneath our feet, your hand in mine still shaking. Can't bear to say the words we know are waiting in the darkness. The stars won't shine tonight. Our hearts beat our time, the stars beat our time, like love that's left behind, like love that's left behind. The stars shine. Mama's words still ringing loud. He's not the one we chose. Letters torn and scattered now, the path they won't be walking. But here with you one final time before the morning breaks us.
The stars won't shine tonight.
Our hearts beat out of time, the stars won't shine time, like a love that's left behind. The stars won't shine tonight, won't shine. And time slips through my fingers, each moment precious gold. Remember me in winter when stories go untold. The stars won't shine tonight. Father's shadow on the wall, my mother's stern direction, the weight of expectations fall like rain on our reflection. But they can't take these memories of what we shared in silence. The stars shine tonight. Our hearts beat out of time, our hearts beat out of time, but love won't shine tonight, like love